Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm gonna show you an easy and quick simple recipe for Ramadan, sweet recipe. Look at this beautiful phyllo pastry layer covered with cream and condensed milk, and looks so crunchy from outside and tender from inside, so rich and delicious. Look at this beautiful. Oh my days. Oh guys, try it, you're gonna love it. So let's go and start with this beautiful recipe. Here we need a tray, and here I have some ghee, melted ghee. You can use butter, unsalted butter. Okay, let's take off, leave it here. And we need double cream, we need condensed milk, and we need ghee. To decorate the top, we need these small roses, if it's available in your house. It's optional. And we need pistachios. Okay, and I'm going to start like so. This is the phyllo pastry, just one paper. I'm going to do it like so, like so, like so. Oh, it's okay about the how it looks. Just take it and put it here like so. Another one, and carry on doing the rest like so. So easy. Okay, like so. Right, so carry on doing the rest. Okay, after we finish, this is how it looks like. So it doesn't matter about the look. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna take some ghee, like we need like 2-3 tablespoons of melted ghee. I'm gonna brush the top and then pop it in the oven between 7 to 10 minutes until I become a bit golden brown, bit crispy. Right. Okay, after it did this color, so now what I'm going to do, here I have some double cream. I'm gonna add on them double cream like so. Oh, yummy. That will make it so rich. Just add condensed milk like so, and pop it back in the oven. Leave it like same time, 7 to 10 minutes. This is after we took it off from the oven. It's still really hot, but it's crispy. Now I'm gonna add some pistachios on top, and this smells so yummy, by the way. I love it. So easy to be prepared and so delicious, creamy and rich and perfect now in Ramadan. Cool. Take these roses. Ooh, wow, just put this one in. I love the smell of these roses. You can buy them from any Mediterranean shop. Also, you can order from Amazon or eBay. Yeah, perfect. Now let it cool down and see after it cool down. I'm going to cut a small piece Oh, that's so crunchy. Oh wow, oh my god, this looks so yummy and smell delicious, absolutely delicious. Oh, mouth watering. Guys, look at this beautiful recipe. It's so crispy from outside, bit tender from inside, so rich and delicious. Hope you gonna try it. I'm gonna list for you down in the description box all the ingredients that you need for this recipe, and it's so delicious in Ramadan. So Ramadan Kareem, and see you soon guys. Bye.